Welcome back to the LPR Trading Group YouTube channel. It is Dave again. I got a trade here I want to talk to you guys about. And I want to talk to you guys about dirty highs, dirty lows, and how we can identify bids and offers that are sticking into the marketplace. So if we look at our Renko chart here on NQ, I'll give you the settings as well because I've been playing around with NQ this year. Actually, let's do that right off the bat. If we look at my settings on NQ, all I have done is taken the tick size on my 8-tick Renko and changed it from 0.25 to 0.75. What this does is it makes every one of these rows 3 ticks instead of 1. Okay, so it compresses some of the data, which is fine. I'm feeling like I'm still getting very accurate readings, let's say, off of this footprint. More importantly, what we want to talk about today are these dirty highs that were set in. So we can tell that we had an offer sitting here in the 70 to 72.50 area on NQ. I'll actually bring up a trading view chart as well so you can see it a little bit better. This is something we were mapping out this morning. We had a previous offer sticking on trading view or on the charts right in this area. The offer ended up lifting and he came back in here. Offer, 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 just selling, 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 selling. The most important thing about this trade is every time sellers tried to accept lower, we'll look at this on the footprint as well, every time sellers tried to accept lower, they could not, and price just reclaimed the range, okay? Sellers could not take price and drive price lower. You look at these lows that are put in by the buyers here, these are sellers trying to apply some serious pressure. As soon as the buyers get a hold of it, they put in very nice lows to drive price to the upside. Sellers, once again, try to drive price down. Buyers combat this by putting in some very nice lows. There is a very nice scalp model entry actually that I took on this trade. Once buyers continued to combat price on the low side, I knew because we had these dirty highs, or I didn't know, but I made a very educated decision and a high probability decision saying that price will break this offer. And when it does, we'll pull this chart up. When price does break this offer, anyone who was short here today naturally is going to drag their stop above this area. All of these short stops equal covers, covers equal buys, covers and buys equal squeezes. So this was the idea. We were going to try and get long to break through this high to get that momentum squeeze to the upside. Very nice entry here. Simple scalp model. We've got a low. It's a 2 out of 3 low. Failed acceptance. Buyers come in. Sellers cannot accept price lower. We have a dirty high to target to and through. We drive to the upside, pull back, hold previous buyers, continue to drive up, and this is where we get liftoff on the trade. I tried this trade 2 times. The first time I got a partial and I got stopped out. The second time, the trade worked very well, and I actually targeted, final target, 88, 89, right here. So I did not get the full juice on the move, okay? We ran all the way up to 304, 305-ish. But my final target was 89. That's what I took out of the trade. And this is how you guys can use your charts, both your bar charts and your footprint charts, to identify where buyers and sellers might be sitting in the market. In this case, we've got a dirty high. Buyers are putting on pressure, but they can't get through. And there's a seller just selling, selling, selling. We can assume that all short stops for the day are going to be sitting over this level. So naturally, we want to be targeting those stops. So I'm looking for buys to target the stop run through that area. And when we finally do get it, like we said previously, we get a very nice squeeze to the upside. If you guys stuck around for this whole video, I know it was a short one. Like, comment, subscribe. And we do have a free trial going on in the chat room now. www.lprtradinggroup.com. Hit the monthly subscription. Like I said before, unfortunately, Payroll.io requests payment information. If you guys sign up, put in your payment information, cancel right away if you do not plan on sticking around. If there was a way I could give you guys a free trial with no payment information, trust me, I would. It just makes it more difficult for me on this end with Payroll.io, but that's what we're using, and it is what it is. Trade safe on the chart, guys. Cheers.